Relating slope and y-intercept to linear equations, lesson 7 notes. Example number 1. Is the slope of the line from point x to point y the same as the slope of the line from point M to point N? Now, that is a linear equation. Linear equations have a proportional relationship. Therefore, yes, the slopes should be the same, but we're going to prove that they are. We're going to prove that what they are using rise over run. Remember, slope is rise over run. So we're going to find the rise over run for xy, then we're going to find the rise and the run for mn. So to do that, first I'm going to do the rise for xy. That would be the rise. That would be the run. So let's count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the rise is 10 for xy. The run, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The run is 5. So I would like you to put rise and run. Make sure you're using your straight edge to draw these lines. You should have your straight edge out and using that to draw lines. We're going to be graphing a lot of graphs, and to get full credit, you have to have straight lines. So make sure you're using your straight edge. Okay, so for xy, again, my rise is 10, and my run is 5. The rise is 10, the run is 5. Well, 10 divided by 5 is 2. Now, technically, that's 2 over 1, but we can just say that it's 2. If we were graphing, we would want it over 1. But if we're just talking about the slope, having it as the whole number 2 is just fine. So again, the slope for xy is 2. In other words, you go up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, and so forth. Okay, for mn. So this would be my rise. And this would be my run. So my rise is 1, 2, 3, 4. And my run is 1, 2. This is the rise. This is the run. So for mn, it is 4 over 2. And 4 divided by 2 is 2. So is the slope the same from xy as it is from mn? Yes, it is. The slope is 2. So both lines have a slope of 2. Pause your video, get that written down. Okay, now, we could have actually picked any 2 points on this graph. Any 2 points. Don't write this down, but I want to show you. I'm going to just get this out of the way for now. I'll put it back later. I could have picked this point here, this point here. That'd be a rise of 4, a run of 2. 4 over 2 is 2. I could have picked this point down here and this point way up here. That would be a rise of 12 and a run of 6. And 12 over 6 is 2. I could pick a point here and this y. That would be a rise of 8 and a run of 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So in other words, you could pick any 2 points on this graph and you're going to get a slope of 2. Because if I start from the bottom, I go up 2 over 1, 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 and it continues to do that. Again, these are linear equations, so you could pick any 2 points on the graph and you'll get the same slope. All right, so that is it for example number 1. If you have any questions about example 1, please do not hesitate to ask.